Checking collinear points. Using slopes, show that A 8, 10, B 2, 1 and C minus 4, minus 8 are collinear points. So let's first understand what are collinear points. So collinear points are points which lie on the same line. So if we have 3 points on the same line, we say they are collinear, correct? So that is the definition of collinear points. Now the second part is, how do you check that they are collinear? So what we can do is, let's say we have 3 points, and let's say we have points A, B and C. Then if you find slope of A with B, and if it is same that from A to C, then that means they are collinear, right? If C is somewhere else, then the slope will be different, as you can see from here. So that is the strategy. So we'll find slope between A to B, and we'll find slope between A to C, right? So what is slope? Slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, right? So let's find first from A to C. So A is this point for us and C is here. When we say y2 minus y1, we can actually consider any point as the first and the second point. But it's good to write, when we write A to C, C becomes our second point, okay? So we'll do this y2, so which is minus 8 minus 10 over minus 4 minus 8, right? So we get minus 18 over minus 12, and it can be simplified. You can divide both by minus 6, and when you do that, you get 3 over 2, right? So that becomes slope between A to C. Now let's do between A to B. Now A to B, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now from A to B, so B is the second point. So 1 minus 10 divided by 2 minus 8. So 1 minus 10 is minus 9 and 2 minus 8 is minus 6. You can divide both by minus 3 and get 3 over 2. So we see that both the slopes are same, right? So we found that the slope from A to B and from A to C is same, therefore they are collinear. Well, you can always check slope between the point B and C also. That should be same, right? So let's say B to C, right? B to C will be minus 8 minus 1 divided by minus 4 minus 2. So minus 8 minus 1 is minus 9, and this is minus 6, which is same as 3 over 2. So we get same slopes, right? Therefore, the line segments are exactly same. But the important point is, since, we should write since slope from A to both the points is same, right? The points are collinear. Individually, you can have points like this, right? This is like one slope and the other one here. So they could be parallel, but they could not be collinear. Do you understand the difference? Therefore, we are considering a point which is common to both. Now, if I have a point common to both, then this has to lie over it, so they become collinear. So that is the concept to be understood here, okay? Thanks, and have a good look at it. Try to understand what we did to find or to check whether the points were collinear or not. Since the slope was same from one point to 2 other points, all the 3 points are in the same line, and when they are in the same line, we call them collinear points. Thank you.